Guys, so this is the final look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Laifa Beauty Studios and I'm gonna get my makeup done by Laifa. If you don't know who she is, you're sleeping under a rock, especially if you're in Nigeria and you're in Lagos. So you need to get to know. She has an amazing channel here on YouTube, so make sure you check that out as well. She does vlogs, she does beauty videos, all sorts, and her vlogs are really entertaining. I'm gonna leave all her info below, but we're about to get slayed and I'm super excited. I'm with the famous Laifa Beauty. Oh god, period. Laifa's gonna beat my face. I'm excited.
I'm not excited.
Why? Why does everyone say
because
this?
Ropo knows how to beat her face to perfection.
You don't see. Why does everyone?
Her videos like, okay, Ropo likes her highlights, okay, so I don't mess up. Nervous.
I don't know why she's nervous.
Ropo knows how to beat her face.
Her skills are there, so I don't know why she's nervous.
You have to go out tonight.
Yeah, of course. Have you watched these series before?
Yeah. That's another thing why I was scared.
No.
There's I'm among the bad.
Have you not seen Anita's one that I did last year?
Anita Brows?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, I went to Anita's Brows. And then people in the comments were saying you should go to Laifa.
Are you serious?
Yeah, did you not see it?
No.
You should watch it, I'll send you the link.
I haven't seen it too. I'm surprised I missed that. So for contour, I'm going to use Nuban Beauty foundation.
Is that Nigerian brand?
Spaces, yeah, it's a Nigerian brand. It's really awesome. So I'm going to go into Mirror Setting Powder in the shade Cinnamon. I don't think you've tried my powders. I need to give you some. Yeah, leave them.
Yeah, of course. What would you compare it to?
Maybe not at this point. I've been using powders for so long at this point that I
don't even know what the other ones are like.
Yeah.
They're very light, that's one thing I can say. It doesn't feel like I have anything on.
You can't. I really can't talk. It's so weird. I'm focusing. I'm focusing. Yeah, Fransha. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever powder in 405.
This is a business. No, I'm actually not being funny.
Are you serious? I don't know. Did they ever leave?
I haven't heard of Makeup Forever in the longest time.
Ropo is really enjoying this pamper session.
Getting your makeup done is very relaxing.
Yeah. Guys, so I switched to MAC Dark. 405 is really light. I'm using for the highlight areas.
No, I use dark or sometimes dark deep.
Ah, God. Do you know, I wanted to ask you what products you use.
Oh.
Like, let me try.
What would you say has been like the highlight of your YouTube career?
I feel like it's my community.
Your supporters are very supportive.
Yes.
They're very supportive.
And they don't just support me, they support everybody around me.
Yeah.
It's the sweetest thing ever.
Yeah.
Like my sister has a very good job right now, and it's someone
that watches your
someone
channel.
that watches my channel that recommended her for the job when she did the interview.
Wow. That's it.
People from a million miles away will come to Nigeria and they will come and look for me, come to give, tell me how they love me. I'm like, me?
Yeah. No, I think because you're very personable, so it almost feels like you know the person that you're watching. Yeah.
It's so sweet. God help me with these brows.
Is it too bushy?
Mushy die.
Really? Are you not used to like big brows?
I'm used to big brows, but like this one's sticking up out of the brows. This is, you know what? I don't actually everywhere.
I like my brows thick, you know.
I know, but like you don't really do much. But like we like defined brows in this country. I don't think you guys like our kind of makeup.
I feel like I like it. You just have a different style because I feel like you can tell when makeup is done by a Nigerian makeup artist,
especially from the brows,
and you can tell from the lips as well.
From the lips,
yeah, the outline, the way you shape.
Oh yes, you like a defined.
The cupid. Yeah. So what are you gonna do with this?
I'm trying to figure it out. You know, just brush it.
You haven't even seen brows. My brows aren't even bushy.
So they are usually more bushy than
Yeah.
this. Hey God.
This is even done.
This is done. That's why
I haven't plucked
not
them.
done. Chineke. Are you saying what I'm dealing with here?
Do you get recognized quite a bit in Lagos?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I barely go out though.
Really? You out all the time?
Why do people say that? Why do people say that? I'm like, huh? Are you for sure you're watching me at all? Am I out all the time? Barely. I think maybe when I do go out, I make noise about it. Like,
maybe
I'm out today, you know. I'm
no,
out.
But you're quite social. I
am.
Yeah,
I am. But like, I don't know.
So that's
it's hard to get me out of the house. But when I'm out of the house, finally, yeah, I'm social.
Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, those are nice. I love the eyes. Love that.
This. As I'm doing her lips, I just remember that she said that Nigerians we like to emphasize, and I was really about to do it. But to be fair, we've even reduced the way we do it before. Structure. So for highlights, I'm using the fancy highlighters.
Which one is this one?
Candy Cognac and how many carats. I like to do the wet balm beforehand. I don't know, it doesn't make it look powdery.
Yeah. Ooh. I feel like you're known for your highlighter, and I'm known for the lip gloss. Yes. Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
Ah, you have fine lips, so.
Thank you.
Do you have a what's that thing called?
A smiley. Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute. Ah, you should get your teeth done. With that naturally blessed dentition. We hate y'all. God bless mom. Hi, what will our children get from us?
Your talent and your beauty. Hello.
Here. Do you think kids inherit talent from parents?
Of course. Of course, definitely. Hamper for me.
I'm going to go into the Pro Cosmetics setting spray. This setting spray, your makeup is going nowhere when you use it. First time I used it on myself, I was like, huh?
Wow, it smells like hairspray.
It smells like what?
Hairspray. What are you thinking of?
Do your eyes get teary?
If I don't blink.
That means in Nigeria, there's nobody that you can think to do your wedding makeup.
Why? What, because they don't let you blink?
No, I mean like, since you don't like our style of makeup.
No, I do. There's just certain things that would change. If you was to get married today, who are you called to do your makeup?
Eden's Glam or Glam by Oh My Hair.
Okay. Ooh, what's the glow for me? Guys, so this is the final look. you guys think down below, and of course I'll leave Laifa's beauty channel and everything to do with Laifa down below. How do you think she did? And then comment who I should go to next as well.